Good evening all of you once again to our online classes and as I have told you earlier that today we are going to discuss some of the solved examples of notice and advertisement, and for that you can see that there is a question written on the board for notice writing, and today we are going to see how to write a notice. So for that we have written we have a question over there, and now I am going to narrate the question in front of you. The question is you are Avni Ankit of class 12. You have found a wallet in the school playground, and with a cash it contains some receipt. Write a notice in about 50 words for the school notice board inviting the actual owner to claim it. So now we are going to witness how to solve this writing section, this component of writing section, that is notice writing. Now first thing which we need to do is we have to find out the issuing authority. What is the issuing authority and what are we going to write in issuing authority? As I have told you that how to find out issuing authority, there are two ways to find out what to write in issuing authority. First thing is we have to look for the authority that is issuing that particular notice, and the second thing is we have to find out that where that notice is to be displayed. So in this question we can see that the notice is to be displayed in the school. So the issuing authority is going to be the school. So we have to write the name of the school in issuing authority. For that we are taking the name of our school, that is RPM Public School. Then after we have to write the place, that is Hathras. Underline the heading, and after that we have to write the date in expanded form. So this is our date in expanded form. After that we have to write notice. Once again underline it, and then what we have to write is the heading, that is lost. Underline it. So this is notice and then lost, our heading, and then what we have to write is the content. The content we have to start just below the date to follow the proper alignment of notice, and our starting line is to be, it is hereby to inform. All the students of RPM Public School a wallet has been found in the school playground yesterday the wallet does not have any information regarding its owner. So the actual owner must contact during recess with all the belongings with including valid proofs. The wallet contains some cash and receipt. Wallet shall be given to its actual owner after producing valid proof. Okay. 12. After that, we have to enclose it in a box. So this is our notice, and this is the manner in which we have to write a notice. What are the things which you need to keep in mind while writing a notice? As you can see that I have followed the alignment in content from both the sides. Both the sides the alignment has been followed. For example, no word or no alphabet must go beyond this alignment. If there is some big word included here, for example, producing. So producing, if I use this word producing, all or whole, then the alignment should be disrupted. So to follow this alignment, what we have to do is we use this dash, and the remaining spelling of the word shall be written over here. Okay then, and after that, name and designation. If there is no designation in the notice, just write down the class, the name of the class to which that particular student belongs. So this is our notice writing, and see it properly and try to follow all the things, all the methods, the alignment, so to make it presentable. As you can see, the issuing authority should be written at the center, date should be written at the left corner of the page, notice and heading once again at the center, content from the left corner just below the date, and you see that there is proper alignment followed. And after writing the notice, you have to enclose it in a box. Enclose it in a box because box is a part of your format. If you fail to make this box, your marks shall be deducted. So this is one of a kind of a notice, and there are many other types as well. You must go through all the types all the solved examples, because it is not possible to provide you examples, solved examples on all sort of notices. And after attempting all sort of notices, you will be able to understand that how to write and what are the things which you need to include. As I have told you that there is a content that is the time, date and venue. But this notice, this question does not require time, date and venue. That is why we have excluded in this question. But if the question asks to include date, time and venue, then you have to include it at the center, just below the notice. And in two parts you have to frame your content. One part above that date, time and venue, and the second part below that date, time and venue. So this is it with the notice. The next thing which we are going to discuss is the advertisement, commercial advertisement, using that layout which I have told you in the earlier session.